Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to use Chime debit card. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Using your Chime debit card is a straightforward process. There's a step-by-step guide to help you out. First of all, purchase. Use your Chime debit card for in-store and online purchases wherever Visa is expected. Visa is accepted. Simply swipe, insert or tap your card at the point of sale or enter your card details for online transactions. ATM withdrawals. Withdraw cash from any ATM. Chime has a network of over 60,000 fee-free ATMs. Use the Chime app to locate the nearest free ATM. Cashback. Get cashback when making purchases at participating retailers. Just select the cashback option during the transaction. Bill payments. Pay your bills directly using your Chime debit card. Enter your card details on the biller's website or app. Mobile wallets. Add your Chime debit card to mobile wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay for contactless payments. Transfers. Transfer money to friends and family using the Chime app. You can send money instantly to the other Chime members or to external bank accounts. Remember to keep your card and PIN secure. If you ever lost your card or suspect unauthorized activity, you can instantly disable your card through the Chime app and request a replacement. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.